Welcome back in Ultimate Python course, and in this video we are going to learn about variables and data type in Python. So I'm Arjun Rajput, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, so you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and source code link is in the description. You can check it out in my GitHub profile. So let's get started. So now let's get started about variables and data type. What is variables and what are data types? So variable is the name given to a memory location in a program. For example, you can store 30 in which is a value in a container A. So let's get in the VS Code and let's do coding. So I'm in my VS Code and I have already created one folder, chapter 2, and I will create one file here, 01 underscore data types.py. So let us make one variable. I will close the sidebar and I will zoom it out. So let us create one variable like we have created in our presentation. A equals to 30. So A is my container equals to 30, which is my number. I want to store my 30, which is a value, in a variable A, which is my container. I can consider A as my container to store my value 30. So let us see more in our presentation. So we can store any name or float, and variables are like container to store a value, and there are reserved keywords in Python which from where we cannot use those reserved words to create our variables. We will see later in this video. So I have created already here one variable A from where 30 value is stored in my container A. If I will print that, print A, so I will save this program and run this. So this would print 30. So as you have seen that in our variable A, 30 is been stored. If I will, I will create one more name. I can create any variable name, and later we will talk rules about creating variables in our program. So I have created here one name variable, and inside that name variable I want to store my name, which is Arjun, and here I will print my name. So in my variable name Arjun would be stored, and I have putted my name inside this double quotes to indicate that it is an string variable. So we will see more about data types later in this video. So if I will run this code, so inside name is the value stored, which is Arjun. Now I'm not creating float because I want to show data types, which are data types in Python. So in Python there are primarily five data types, and we will see one by one in this video. So let us see string integer, sorry. So this was an integer, so 30 is an integer. I will write integer, and 30 is an integer. Then this is string, then one more floating point we are creating by if I'm creating one like floating underscore point is equals to 23.24, then I'm printing it, print floating underscore point. So this will create one, the variable floating point, and this is our data type floating point number, and I'll print this. Control save, run the code, and yeah, 23.24. So it have printed all my three variables: a, name, and float, where a is our integer, name is our string, then floating underscore point is our floating point number, and we have printed this data types. So let us read more booleans. So here, if I'll write here bool bool is equals to, and here I will write true. Now, you might not understand why I'm writing like this, because bool values are true or false if you are an animal or a human. So if we will see more in logical operators. Now just let us focus on bool. Now bool is having only two values, true and false. So if I will print this, bool, then it will print true because it is true, or else I can write false. Now just consider that bool is only having two values, true or false. And here if I will print this false, then 23.24 Arjun and 30, where 30 is an integer, name is string, floating point number is 23.24, then bool is false. So here I will write boolean value, and later in operators we will see how to make an truth table. So I will control save this program, and let us see more about variables and data types in this chapter. Now Python is a fantastic language that automatically identifies the type of data for us. Like if you have created a equals to 30, so Python automatically concludes that 30, the variable a, is an integer. We don't need to write int a like in C++. So we can write directly like a equals to 30, name equals to Arjun, where the data type of name is the data type of name is string, the data type of bool is boolean, the data type of a is integer. So likewise you can conclude which variable name is which variable is which type of data type it is. So here let us see the type function, which is let us first read our rules for choosing an identifier. So let us see the rules for choosing an identifier. So variable name can contain only alphabets, digits, and underscore. A variable name can only start with an alphabet and underscore. So if I will print like this, if I will make one variable name, and I can start with underscore, not with a digit, it would be completely invalid. So let us see more. A variable name cannot start with a digit, we have seen already, and no white space is allowed to be used inside a variable name. Like example of a few variables names are Arjun 18, this is also completely valid. Then 7 underscore 7 is all completely valid. And other than these characters which can be used to create variables, and you can only use them, you cannot use any other special characters like ampersand, dollar, hashtag in your variable name. So I hope you got this all the points. So let us see about type function and typecasting. So type is function is used to find the data type of a given variable. If I will create one more 02 underscore type underscore and underscore, and what was that type and typecasting type underscore not casting type and typecasting dot py. So here I will create more variables like this. So for example, I will take these two variables, control v, and I want to check whether these are really integer and string. So what can I do is I can print type. I want type of a. So what can I do? Control save this program, and first I will print the type of a. Now type of a is an integer class int. I hope you can see. And if I will print the type of the type of I want the type of my variable name called name. So name is string. So this would print string because the type of the type of name is string and type of a is class int. So this is an integer and this is a string. So I hope you understood about how to check whether the variable is really an integers, string, boolean, and all. So I hope you got the point. So if I want to convert this 30 into integer, so what can I do is I can convert any number into a string if possible. So if I can convert this 30 into string, so I will write like this. I will write string. I want to convert a, and if I'll print again, so type of a, then I will check what is the type of a, then it would be string. So now before it was integer, now it was string. I hope you can I hope you saw that how you can convert that into string. Now it was only temporary, you cannot change it permanently. So I hope you saw that how you can convert this into string. You can also convert back into integer. So here I will write here int a. So if I will control save this program, so it would be of course int again. So I hope you got the point. So if I want to convert this name into an integer, it's not possible, right? So here I will uh, I will just comment it out. No, I will not comment. And if I want to convert this name into an integer, it's not possible, but I will make it. So here I will write int name, and if I have converted into an integer, then here I will print the type of name. So here I will write name, then control save the program, and the type of name would be not, it would be an invalid because I cannot convert this into integer. So you cannot convert, means you cannot, if possible only if you can convert any variable into another data type. So if it is possible, then you can convert, but if it is not possible, it would be an error. So let's just see more. So we have seen there's a many function to convert one data type into another. You can check it out. So I will just write like this. I will write here integer to, sorry, integer to, integer to string conversion, and here I will write control C, control V, and here I will write string, sorry, here I will write string to integer conversion. So this was typecasting. This was about typecasting, and you can check the type of any variable, which data type it is, and you can convert this into int to int, string to int if it is possible. So next slide. So now let us check about input function. Oops, I think we have gone back. Integer input, sorry. So let us see about input function. So this function allows the user to take input from the keyboard as a string, like a equals input enter name. If a is Arjun, the user entered Arjun. So if I will create one more here, 03 underscore input dot py, then here I will create one more. I will close this slide. Then here I will create one more input. So here I will write name is equals to, if I want to ask the user that what is your name, so I can write input, and here I will write enter your name, then here semicolon, then here I can print the name of this user. So I have used input function, and inside this you can enter enter your name, and this would take input and it will print the name. So if I will print here Arjun, if I want to write my name like this Arjun, then it will print Arjun. If I will control save this program again, and if I will write enter your name, and if I will write here John, then here it have printed John. So I hope you got the point, and I can also grade like, hey, like your name is, and here I will put comma, then control save this program and run. If I will write Arjun, then your name is Arjun. So you can create like this program. So let us move into our presentation. So let's end this video here. Now in next video we will see about operators. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.